what we have gathered here to do today is not a mere symbolic act. It is certainly an act that takes us closer to actualizing the dream of having at least 1,000 tractors in Enugu by next year. Our vision in agriculture transcends the traditional notion of manual farming. We want to scale our agriculture to an industrial scale. We want to be able to ensure that we do not only produce produce or indeed crops that will just be sufficient for us to eat. We see agriculture as an export commodity, and so this is indeed the beginning of actualizing that dream. Initiative like what we're doing with Nortra not only creates employment opportunities, but it also stimulates our economy. It boosts that growth that we're expecting, that economic growth we're expecting to achieve here in Enugu. So we see this as opening a wide door of opportunities for our teeming young people to get upskilled and also to get constructively engaged